Yo bro, welcome to my channel and in this video I'm going to tell you about two types of people और ये दो किस्म के लोग तुम्हारी जिंदगी लिटरली तबाह करके छोड़ देते हैं। और अगर तुम्हारे तुम्हारी जिंदगी तबाह होने से बचाना है, stay as far away as you possibly can from these types of people। पहले किस्म के लोग, जो लोग तुम्हारी बहुत तारीफ करते हैं। भाई अपने ब्रेन का एक इंस्टिंक्ट रहता कि वी क्रेव वैलिडेशन। अच्छा दिखता है भाई अपनी खुद की तारीफ सुन के कि वाह भाई सिविल तुम इतने गान फार है, ये वो लाइक वी लव टू हियर दैट। मगर बात ये है दैट कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ मैनिपुलेशन। आई एम समवन हु ऑलवेज चेजेस वैलिडेशन, ओके, दिस इज अ वेरी बिग फ्लॉ within me, but this can also be used to manipulate me. If you give me enough validation, I'll literally do whatever you want. और मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि जो भी तारीफ करे तुम्हारे, they're bad people, they're trying to manipulate you। मगर वो किस्म के लोग जो constantly तुम्हारी तारीफ करते रहते 24 घंटे कि वाओ भाई you're so cool, यादा whatever it is, right? Stay away from them. And ऐसा भी हो सकता है that this is just a forefront। तुम्हारे क्या मालूम लोग तुम्हारे पीछे क्या बोल रहे हैं। तुम्हारे पीछे तुम्हारी चिट्ठी उछाल रहे होंगे वो लोग लिटरली कि जा भी जाओ इन्हें मुंह दिखा देता रहे भाई क्या है, इससे दूर रहना। And that is why I distance myself from my entire class. I don't know, I just have a bad gut feeling about my entire class. I don't know Q. So that is why I distance myself from literally everyone there except for like 2 people. Apart from that, everyone else gone. Most of the friends I have are A, not from my class, or B, not even from my college. And plus I'm kind of famous because of my Instagram presence, and because of that I have to move very carefully because whatever I say can be taken out of context and can be used to ruin me and defame me publicly. Because once you're famous bro, अगर तुम एक भी लफड़े में फंस गए सबके दिमाग में वही रहने वाला है कि अरे उसके साथ ये हुआ था ना। भाई जब लोग तुम्हारी तारीफ करते तुमको एक डोपामिन हिट मिलता, and that dopamine hit can be very addictive. So stay away from these type of people. Stay away from people who constantly praise you, because let's face it भाई, what are you? Why do you deserve praise? तुम कौन हो आखिरी में, क्या हो तुम? कुछ भी नहीं हो तुम, मैं भी कुछ भी नहीं हूँ। We don't deserve praise, and if someone is giving that praise freely, stay away from them. The second type of people I want you to stay away from, people who backbite. And you don't necessarily have to be the subject of the backbiting. If they're backbiting about someone else, if they're bitching about someone else in front of you, just know दूसरे लोगों के सामने तुम्हारी back bitching चलती है। And also a plus point, never backbite भाई। Like क्यों बात करते दूसरों के बारे में ऐसा? Like just be respectful, just be a respectful person overall. Like you don't need to backbite. I remember there was this one time I was eating outside. I was eating like 20 kilometers away from my house with 3 people in total, and these 2 guys, they were bitching about literally everyone, and I wasn't joining in, okay? I wasn't talking about anyone in a derogatory manner, and they were like, why aren't you doing it? Come on, like talk about someone who, you know, blah 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 whatever. But I didn't. I stood my ground ki no, that's just not how I roll. I don't backbite. And stay away from those people because you don't want them to know much about you. Bhai, if they have enough information about you, okay, what will happen is that they will use that when they're talking to someone and back bitching about you. And plus, like, why would you want to be around that energy of people who are always talking bad on others, who are always defaming other people? Like why do you want to be surrounded with that energy? And a bonus point, stay away from people who cannot keep secrets. I don't think I need to explain this, it's like kind of self-explanatory. Like stay away from those people. अगर उन लोग दूसरों के बारे में रिवील कर रहे हैं, दूसरों के सीक्रेट्स जो पर्सनल उन लोग कॉन्फिडेंस में शेयर कर रहे थे कि भाई किसको भी नको बोल, अगर वो चीज उन लोग तुम्हारे बोल रहे हैं, that doesn't mean you're special. That doesn't mean कि wow, you know, they're telling me their secrets. That just means they can't keep a secret. And जब तुम्हारे बारे में कुछ ऐसा शेयर करते कि भाई इसको कुछ बोल रहा हूँ मैं, I'm not telling the entire class about it, उन लोग वो चीज सबको बोलेंगे। भाई मेरे बारे में ऐसी चीजें हैं जो कैमरा के सामने नहीं बोला, मैं जो किसी को भी नहीं बोला, लिटरली खाली एक भाई को बोला, एक दोस्त को बोला, and because I trust that भाई, I trust that दोस्त. So stay away from these types of people, and with that I think I'll end the video. I hope you are very elastic. This is your neighborhood friendly civil signing off, and as always, bye.
से निकलती कला मेरी, रैप नहीं करूं तो क्या मिट्टी, आखिर की तो सीखी मिली, दिल का सुकून तो नहीं मिली।